Good morning. So, just got up and that's when I like to take my peptides. So we're gonna do a quick video on injecting. Personally, for what I'm doing right now, I do subcutaneous and I alternate between my stomach and my upper thigh. So I'm kind of cut off, but finding the good video point for all that I want to do, and this is kind of a tough spot, so duck down a little bit, we'll make it work. So we need 2 peptides. If you only take one, only take one. For me, I got 2 needles and alcohol pads. So we are going to take alcohol pad, open it up, and clean off the head of the stopper of your bottle. I keep these in a bin in the fridge, so we want everything to be as sterile as possible. Now, one thing with the insulin needles, there's a term for it. I don't remember what it's called, but you're gonna pop this cap off to the plunger. Before you do anything, pull the plunger and then push it back in. When you pull it, you're gonna feel it sticks. And I don't know why it does that, but pulling it out and then pushing it back in will release that. So I'm gonna do that to both. Again, push it back in, good to go. Now, before I fill these, or before I fill the needles, I prep where I'm going to inject. I'm gonna stand, so we'll do belly first. Does that work? Cool. So for me, I kind of do the sections outside of my belly button. You'll find different spots that feel good or don't. It can like kind of hurt a little bit with the needle, so I just kind of play around with that. But I will do this side, kind of just in a quadrant outside of my belly. I like there to be a little extra kind of pinchable stuff from the side. You can kind of see what we can pinch there. Sparrow, I know I'm about to get a fat joke from this. Thanks, bud. So for me, I've got BPC 157. I'll add the dosage calculator that I use, but the way that I mix it, for me, 500 mcg currently is to the 15 mark on the needle that I use. So I pinch and I hold it like a dart, I should say. And then I'm gonna go in at 90 degrees. So just go in, press the plunger, and I hold it for a couple seconds. I don't remember where I read that, but you'll see if you take it right out, sometimes some of the peptide will come back out. So just lets it get wherever it's going. Take it out, we're good to go. Now, we'll put the cap back on, and let's do the other one. So, you guys already saw, I did there. This is the IPA. So, you'll see in the cap, I should have said this in the first one, but see that little circle? That's where you put it in. So, we'll put it in, and then for this, I'm doing 300 mcg, which is the 10 mark. And for this, we go to my preferred spot actually, because it's the most comfortable, and that's the upper thigh. So I'll apply a link too, but you want the upper and outer thigh. So for me, I kind of come around Calvin and Hobbes, pinch, find a good spot that I can pinch. For me, it's like kind of right in the center, and just straight in and plunge. Now the leg, you feel nothing. It is by far my preferred spot. And yeah, but shooter's choice. When you look at sites of where you should get it, where you shouldn't, it'll be kind of the belly, the upper thigh, or the shoulder. And for me, I just like to make sure that there's a little extra stuff that I can pinch. Yeah, I don't know, personal preference. And I hope that helps you guys. If you guys have any questions, or feel that there's something wrong with the way I did something, please chime in the comments below. so we can all learn together. Subscribe and follow on the journey. And yeah, let's get healthy. Talk soon.